Walt Disney Studios. Behind you. Yeah.
That Mickey's helpers. That is the bridge.
Oh my gosh, look. They're having a good time in the pool. They're a water park for the pigeons.
Yeah.
We're heading in Studio One. World premiere is now called. Let's have a little look inside, shall we? It's pretty cool, isn't it? Should we go down? So we walked through Avengers Campus and we're heading straight through to Alice and the Queen of Hearts, back to Wonderland. Theatre of the Stars. Bonjour. All right. We made it. The show will go on, guys. We're going in to Alice in Wonderland. Ready for the show?
Yeah, currently playing
Uno. Look at all this. Alice and the Queen of Hearts. Whoa, look at all this.
I took it right up the hill.
Look at all that. And the yellow.
So on the
purple,
that's a hammer. It's got a hammer on its head.
Oh yeah, I see it.
And then over here,
Yeah.
next to this fan here,
Yeah. Oh, I see it. The noisy horn on the red block.
Yeah.
I see it.
Everything you see is not what it seems to be. Here in Wonderland. Welcome to Wonderland. Welcome to Wonderland. What a joy that you are. Here in Wonderland. Where the magic comes alive. It's all about me. All together, are you ready? Vous allez voir, c'est très facile. Follow me. Vous êtes prêts?
subscribe to our channel. Subscribe our channel. Turn on our channel. Remember to hit the notification bell and give us a huge thumbs up. Bam! Bye guys. Bye guys.